Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You're starting the pairing now, so plug in the HomePod and keep your iPhone unlocked and nearby. Make sure your iPhone has Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on and that both devices share the same network. This is why Discovery works. When the HomePod shows a pulsing white light, a setup card should appear on your iPhone. If it doesn't, open the Home app and tap the plus. Once the card appears, follow the prompts to transfer settings and Apple ID. This speeds authentication and HomeKit integration. Now you'll finish the detailed configuration. Accept the Apple ID and Siri prompts so voice recognition and personal requests work correctly. Choose the room for your HomePod inside the Home app. This matters for scenes, automations, and AirPlay routing. Adjust microphone and sound settings if prompted, and enable automatic software updates so your HomePod stays secure and compatible. Once you've completed these choices, the Home app shows the device as available. Test play. Finally, test everything. Play audio on your iPhone and choose the HomePod from Control Center to verify AirPlay streaming. If pairing stalls, power cycle the HomePod and restart your iPhone. That resolves most handshake issues because it clears temporary network states. Make sure both devices are on the same Wi-Fi band and that iCloud keychain is enabled for seamless credential transfer. If nothing works, reset the HomePod and reconfigure in the Home app. This should be a last resort after trying restarts and network checks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.